Oh, hi. I'm Detective Carter, and I have a problem. I have some items, and I need to find one that is different. Can you help me find the odd one out? I have 4 things. 3 belong together. 1 is odd. It does not go with the other 3. So, which one is odd? Let's look. Soap, fan, cell phone, and light. Which of these things go together? How can I choose? Aha! Soap is the answer. Fans, cell phones, lights use electricity. They can be turned off and on. They belong together. You can't turn soap off and on, so soap is the odd one out. Let's try another one. Here are soap, water, room, and cloth. Do you see 3 words that belong together? Can you find the word that is different? The answer is room. You can use soap, water, and a cloth to clean things. A room is a place, so it's not the same. It is the odd one out. Good work! You helped me find the odd one out. See you next time, friends.